How should you install your AIO? I've been asked this question a few times now and I've seen loads of different setups and configurations online, so I'm just going to tell you the right way to install your AIO cooler. Firstly though, how does an AIO actually work? In simple terms, the CPU heats the coolant in the water block, which is then carried to the radiator by one of the tubes. The radiator then dissipates the heat and the fans blow the warm air out and cool the liquid inside the radiator, which then travels back to the CPU via the other tube, and the cycle repeats. So this diagram shows the right and wrong way to install them. The reason there's a right and a wrong way is because the AIO isn't completely 100% filled with liquid. There's a small bit of air in there to allow for expansion, and because air rises to the highest point in a loop, if the pump is higher than the radiator, then air can actually accumulate in the water block, causing issues. But when the radiator is the highest point, the water block stays fully submerged in coolant, optimizing your performance. If you learned something from this video, then make sure to follow me for loads more cool PC stuff.